Hi, today I'll show you how to create a gradient on a mesh in Blender from this to this. Let's say I have this mesh and I'm going to change this part into gradient. First, go to shader editor. Because we are going to use nodes, I'll demonstrate it since beginning. If you choose from base color, you can only make a single color like this one. So we have to shift A or add the color ramp, texture coordinate, mapping, and tie it together. As you can see, now the color has gradient. But I need the exact anchor point for the gradation position, so I'm gonna add separate XYZ. And feel free to choose any X, Y, or Z, but I choose Y. Now we can play around with this gradient. You can add whatever you want by using this plus and minus to add or maybe delete the color you want. Okay, I think I'm enough with this color. You can also customize the rotation here. That's it. This is the final result. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!